We exist because the cost of hiring the wrong person can be more than $250,000 and can crush vibrant cultures. That number is way too high for us to accept. And that's why at FloodGate Medical, for over 20 years, we have built and refined the processes, the technology, and the team who have mastered the art of the hiring process, targeting and engaging talent that hiring managers would not have found on their own. Passive candidates who are not actively looking to make a career move, the kind of talent that change the cultures through performance and stay for years. A partnership with FloodGate Medical allows companies to focus on developing their talent, not just acquiring talent. So if you believe hiring the best talent is a key business objective, we need to talk, because our sole mission is to improve lives by uniting great people with great companies.